Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again, welcome back to your class Ravisirjee Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9th to 12th. Students, in our previous video lecture of standard 10th of pair of linear equation with two variable, we have solved the word problems. So students, we are continuing this video lecture and this video topic. So students, in today's video lesson, I have taken a questions which will deal with our day-to-day life. Okay students, just first of all read this question. A places A and B. What is a places A and B? Suppose you can say that a places A and B. A places A and B are 100 kilometer apart. Means the distance between A and B is 100 kilometer. How much? 100 kilometer. On the highway. It means this is what, students? This is what? Highway. So highway can be extended further, right? On car, one car start from A. One car start from A, right? And another car start from B. Another car start from B, right, student? Same time, at a same time, if the car travel on the same direction, this car is traveling in this direction and this car is also traveling in this direction. What is at constant speed? The constant speed is unknown. It may be 5 kilometer, it may be 10 kilometer. This car may travel 2 kilometer, this car may travel 2 kilometer also, right, student? So constant speed is unknown. They meet in 5 hours. They meet in 5 hours. It means, students, so obviously the speed of one of the car, first car will be greater than the speed of second car. Because this car will be overtake to this car, in that case this car can be meet because the direction of movement is in same. That's why consider this car having speed x kilometer per hour and this car having speed y kilometer per hour. The speed of this car is greater than the speed of this car, right, students? So in this case they can meet after 5 hours. They are meeting after 5 hours, somewhere here, right? The duration is after 5 hours, right, student? So first of all, and in the second case, if they travel towards each other, means if they are traveling towards each other direction, means suppose this is from A and this is what about B. This is the position of the first car and this is the position of the second car. The movement of this car is positive direction and it is in negative direction, means they will meet somewhere here, right, student? So they meet in 1 hour. They meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of two cars, right, students? What are the speed of two cars? So speed of two cars are unknown. So consider speed of first car is x kilometer per hour and speed of second car is y kilometer per hour, right, students? They are moving in the same direction. So we know that, students, speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So what about the distance? So distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, students, here the speed of first car is greater than the speed of second car. So here you can write what? X is greater than y. So obviously whenever students, let us see this practically. Suppose you are traveling by train, right? you are traveling by train and another train is passing through same direction, so you can imagine that that train having very slow, otherwise speed of our train is very slow. In that case, if both the train are moving in the same direction, if you considering yourself as a reference point, the speed of second train will be slow, and if you are considering the second train, the first train will be slow. In that case, if the movement of both the object are in the same direction, so speed will be reduced. So distance is what, students? 100 kilometer. What is 100 kilometer? And speed of the train, speed of the car will be what? X minus y, because both the car are traveling in the same direction. If both two objects are traveling in the same direction, and if you are calculating the speed, then the speed will be not actual. Suppose you are moving in the you are seated in the car and the speed of your car is 100 kilometer, and another your friend seated in another car and his speed is about 100 kilometer. If you will observe to each other, the speed of the car in that case will be 0. Right, students? So similarly here the speed of the first car is x and the speed of second car is y. So what will be the speed? X minus y, and time taken 5 hours. Right, students? So 5 will be 100 will be cancelled by 5. So x minus y is equal to 20. This is result number 1. Now students, moving to the second case. Here you can imagine the same situation, but the position are in the opposite direction, the movement are in the opposite direction. Suppose you are traveling by train and another person is traveling by train. If the train is passes through your train but in the opposite direction, you can get surprised at how the speed of the train, means that is speed of that train is much more than your train. It means students, if two objects are moving in opposite direction, the speed will be get increased. So students, similarly as per the definition, distance is equal to speed into time. So distance was 100 kilometer, speed will be get increased x plus y, and time is 1 hour. For the second case, time is 1 hour. So here x plus y is equal to 100. This is equation 2. Now students, equation 1 and equation 2, you can eliminate the value of x and y to get the value of to get the speed of both the car. So here you can calculate equation 1 plus equation 2, because y is coefficient of y is negative over here and coefficient of y is positive. So x minus y is equal to 20, and here is x plus y is equal to 100. So minus minus minus, sorry, you are adding now, so don't need to change the sign. So y cancelled, so 2x is equal to 120. So x will be 60. Now putting in 1, where? Putting in 1. So the equation 1 is what? X minus y is equal to 20. So x minus y is equal to 20. What is the value of x? Value of x is 60. Minus y is equal to 20. So minus y is equal to 20 minus 60. So minus y is equal to minus 40. So y is equal to 40. So student, what is the speed of first car? Speed of first car. The speed of the first car was x. So you can write what is the value of x here? 60 kilometer per hour. And speed of second car, y kilometer per hour. So what is the value of y over here? 40 kilometer per hour. Okay students, here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravisirjee Maths. Thank you once again.